Minsan maganda pero kadalasan talagang mahina.
Kahit na magandang panahon, nawawala yung signal.
Pasulput-sulput lang. Minsan lumalabas pero kadalasan talagang wala.
Mahina, kulang na kulang talaga.
Meron pang mga lugar na talagang walang signal.
What brings the experience here in Mountain Province, we got to learn how to respect the tradition and culture of our native IPs, and we are here to bring them a good quality telecommunication facility, and we hope that this project could start and bring them a good innovation starting from telecommunication.
Naimbag nga aldaw, kada tayo amin. It is with immense pride and gratitude to reflect on the remarkable accomplishment of NCIP. These achievements are not merely statistics. They are testaments to dedication and unwavering advocacy and powerful spirit of our IPs and ICCs together with our SAQ. And lastly, I would like to dedicate this NCIP to ASI, who's with us from the beginning of the process of this NCIP.
Una-una po sa lahat, hindi po naging madali yung paglalakbay po namin upang mahanap po itong dalawang site na to. Lahat po is merong approval po ng NCIP. At the same time, meron pong mga barangay LGU na kailangan po namin securean ng mga permits po like clearance.
Finally, after 3 years for this site, we've been working this. Hindi biro yung proseso nito, lalo na it takes years. But still, we have a positive outcome and we're looking forward na hindi lang ma-improve yung mga daily lives ng tao dito. But yung susunod pang generation na nandito sa Mountain Province, not only in Sagada, but some regions na talagang kailangan ng signal.
Allowing the construction of telecommunication towers on the ancestral domain holds great promise. Most importantly, it will bring improved connectivity for reliable internet and mobile services for education, commerce, healthcare, and daily communication with loved ones. It will also open up immense opportunities for remote work, allowing residents to earn a living from the comfort of their home without leaving their families and ancestral land behind. In times of calamity and emergency, this tower infrastructure could mean the difference between danger and safety. Quick wireless communication allows for timely rescue and coordination. Sagada's terrain, though awe-inspiring, presents challenging signal coverage, but through strategic tower placement, we can help overcome these barriers and bring strong, far-reaching signal where it has never reached before.
Sa pagtayo natin sa Pintower, siguro matutupad yung mga pangarap namin dito na medyo lumalakas yung signal.
Makatulong po yun pag lumakas yung signal kasi kahit pumunta kami sa medyo malayo ay siguradong may signal.
Bilang isang magsasaka, kahit nandoon ako sa trabaho ko sa field, pagka may emergency o kaya anong gusto kong i-communicate, yun, gagamitin ko yung gadget.
Sana suportahan natin yung Phil Tower para lalong lumakas ang ating signal para madali tayong makapag-communicate. Gusto nating tawagan pati yung mga estudyante makapag-aral sila ng mabuti. Sana matapos na yung Phil Tower, sana malakas na ang signal natin.